Okay, we're kind of a waterfront right here, so we're gonna go straight down that way. Just to give you some context, we're kind of up on this main road, so we had this busy road right here, so we're just gonna walk right into that road actually. And then we're gonna walk back down in a second. So let me just kind of see where we are here. So you can see that this is downtown, so we're kind of a central downtown location. And what we're going to be doing is going all the way down that way, directly down to that waterfront right there. 2023, COVID is over, and we're on a road trip. I'm with a good friend of mine. We're going to be doing lots of different cities all along the coast, not too far from Bangkok, so stay tuned and check it all out. Okay, so that's the destination. This is the location. We're gonna go all the way down this way. And you can see all these, looks like there's some boats and like a marina. So I think this one will help us give an idea of what we can see exactly from here. If there's any, I think what we're gonna see is a lot of ships and boats and a lot of shipping. And I'd be really impressed if we could see something like, I don't know what else, maybe there could be a beach or something like that. But we'll take a look. And I guess I could have drove a car down here as well. But it might be better just to walk it. Peppers. And it looks like there's a few other people that come down here too, so it's free Racha. Kind of cool. So now we're starting to see some water that kind of comes up underneath here. So it looks like all these, the tide goes in and out underneath the homes. You got barnacles. Huh. Some garbage in there. I guess that must be hard to get out of it. A lot of them look like just, these are like really recent. Some of the bottles are just thrown over. I guess they maybe wash up. I don't know, some of them look so new that. And you got a lot more houses over there as well. Got a store here as well. Now we're gonna come out where all the boats are at. This is really cool. It's funny, I could have driven my car out here. Okay. Oh, there's actually a beach over there. Huh. Yeah, you can see the city beach over there. I didn't expect that. So we'll keep on walking out and we'll see what else we can see. These are beautiful boats. Huh. They even got some live music that was out here. Huh. Yeah, there's a beach right over there. Interesting. Didn't expect that. Oh. Huh. It's funny, I was trying to walk into one of those before and they told me not to. I guess those are people's homes out on the waterfront. My camera is starting to overheat a little bit, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna walk out there. And I'm gonna conclude more when we get up there. Although there's so many interesting stuff. I guess I could park all the way out here as well. Chance to sit outside too. Very cool. So you can actually sit outside. And I guess these are more like restaurants. Huh. Very interesting. There's a temple way over there too. Okay. Just when I turn the camera off. Okay, so I'm going to capture from this spot, and yeah, you can see a little bit of mountains. That's Novotel Hotel, maybe a condo right next to it. And like way over there, you can also see some piers. There's several piers that go out from that location. It's like a long bridge way over there. And I think I could walk out to the end, but it looks like people just park their car. And there's some boats that are connected as well to this pier. More piers over there too. So very, very interesting. Didn't expect that. So able to walk down this a little bit, get a little feel for it, and can overlook the city. Really pleasant place. Very local. That's another one from Thailand. You just saw another spot, and we're going to be doing lots more Thailand, so keep on coming back and checking it all out. And I got lots of videos. Usually I'm in Macau, but of course all of these are in Thailand. Enjoy them. Yeah.